How to fix Safari cannot open the page because too many redirects occurred. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Safari error due to too many redirects. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So what this error usually means is that there is a problem with the website's redirection logic. So that is causing your Safari to not open that very page due to too many redirects. So what you can do here is first clear out your Safari's cache and cookies. So for that, open up your settings, scroll down all the way, go to apps, then search for Safari here. And after you're here, scroll down all the way till you find advanced. Tap on advanced. And from here, you can just go to your website data. And from here, you can edit and remove everything after it loads. After you remove all or clear all the data from here, you can then go back. So now what we'll do is we'll check our cross-site tracking settings. So make sure that you're on the Safari, on the apps, then scroll down here, and there you should find your cross-site settings. So from here, there you can see prevent cross-site tracking. So what you'll need to do here is you'll simply need to turn this off. Make sure that you turn it off. It should be white, and you can try turning it back again. So turn it on and your problem should be fixed. You can also try to update your, software to the latest version. So come back to settings right here, go to general, and then go to your software update. Then update your software to the latest version by tapping on update now if the update is available. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. That should fix your issue. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.